Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. iOS up to date, do not have focus modes active, and notifications enabled system-wide. Once done, open Settings, then Notifications, then Messages. Make sure Allow Notifications is on. Next, go into the Messages app and select the conversation that's silent. This is where you'll apply the immediate fixes. By beginning inside the thread, you avoid global changes and see effects quickly. This narrows the troubleshooting scope and prevents unnecessary resets. Now address both conversation-specific and app-wide settings. In the Messages thread, tap the contact or group name and confirm Hide Alerts is off. If it's on, turn it off immediately. Then return to Settings, Notifications, Messages, and select Banners, Sounds, and Show Previews to ensure visible alerts. Also check Settings Focus for any scheduled or manual focus. If Messages isn't allowed, add it to Allowed apps. These steps fix common conflicts between per-thread muting and system focus filters. Finish by restarting the phone to apply notification changes fully, then have someone send an iMessage to confirm sound and banners. If notifications remain silenced, reset settings as a last resort. Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset all settings. This preserves data but clears preferences. If problems persist, verify Do Not Disturb schedules. Ensure the other person isn't blocking you or using a non-iMessage device. And confirm carrier SMS settings. These are the usual hidden causes when notifications still fail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.